Hello everyone, welcome back to Suvarna Nursery and Landscapes channel. Today we will take you through a small garden work which we completed during a rainy day. Monsoon has hit the coastal and this particular place is in Bejai, Mangaluru. Client urgently wanted to finish the gardening work. We visited the site before, took the measurement for the grass laying and also planned about which plants to be used and where. On the day of grass laying, it was pouring heavily. Despite that, our team stayed committed and carried out the work. Now the plants and pathstone order has come. Below this coconut tree, we planted Christinia. Land preparation had to be done as the place was muddy. As a part of our usual habit, we try not to skip fruit plants. At least we try to include one or two varieties of fruit along with other plants. Here we have used papaya, mango and water apple. Beside this compound wall, we planted regular flowering plants like ixora, jasmine, hibiscus. Every task required extra effort. One advantage of rainy weather is that newly planted grass and plants receive plenty of natural moisture. This will help them establish quickly. This is the house entrance and there was two space in front of the compound. Client wanted to use decorative tropical plants here. We chose Calathea, Heliconia, spider lily, pendanas, etc. This is how the place looks from the top. If you like our content, make sure to subscribe and share with your family and friends. We will be regularly posting detailed videos of our projects here, and also we regularly post short videos in this channel where you will get idea on how to use your space for gardening, which plant to select and how to care. Thank you for watching.